Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to show you progress bars. Bootstrap provides an easy way of doing progress bars, so if you are loading something, instead of having to do a bunch of JavaScript and jQuery and CSS to get it working, Bootstrap provides you an easy means to get a progress bar element. It has some basic styling. It allows you to provide a max value and the current value, which you can obviously change via something like JavaScript. So to do this is really simple. You just do progress, and the progress bar has a class of progress, and it has a value, and the value is its current value. So I'm going to put 0 for now. I'm put a max of 100. You could have higher, so you have more increments, or you could have less, so you have less increments. That's totally up to you. And in here I'm just going to put 0%, and that's it. But what I'm also going to do is copy and paste this a few times. Yeah, and just increment it slightly, like by 25, just so you can see the difference. Change this to 50, 50, 75, 75, and finally the value is now 100%. So if we save that, refresh the browser, and there you can see the different progress bars at the different states. So it's that simple. So if we were to go back here and just change this to an arbitrary number, something like 89, and we'll update this as well. So flex that, save that, and if we go back, refresh, there we go. It is now at 89%. That is really cool. Just one thing to bear in mind: Internet Explorer 9 does not support HTML5 progress element, but you can have a workaround for that, and for that, all you have to do, I'm just going to put a comment here, so if you were to access the source code, you know what this is for, i.e. 9 support. And for this, all you have to do, you keep it as it is, but inside the progress element you put a div, and the div has a class of progress as well. Then inside here you have a span, and the span has a class of progress dash bar, and for this we do style equals width. This is inline styling. You could do a separate CSS, but for something really this basic, usually I'll recommend don't do inline styling, but for something this basic it's okay. So if you just put 25%, semicolon, inside here put 25%, or whatever it is. Yeah, I'm going to change it to 89. Change this to 89. You got to get rid of this here. Save that. Refresh, and it looks exactly the same. And that's because it is essentially from the user's perspective. So you can use it on a non-Internet Explorer 9 browser, so you don't need to do checks if it's IE9 or if it's Chrome or Firefox or anything like that. So I'll probably just recommend doing this one. But before I show you all the different types, you can also do contextual progress bars which have styling. And if you've done any sort of styling within Bootstrap, aka so like success, info, warning, danger, you'll feel right at home. We'll show you all of them. So what I'm going to do is just copy 4 of these, simply because there are 4 different contextual types. And I'm gonna, what you need to do, where it says progress, you need to add another class, and this is progress dash success. And for this, do another class of progress dash info. For this, we're going to do progress dash warning. And then finally we're going to do progress dash danger. So if we save that, refresh, we now have contextual progress bars. And finally we're going to show you striped progress bars, which basically uses a gradient to create a cool striped effect. So what we'll actually just copy and paste this so you can see all the different types. And for this, what you need to do is do progress dash striped, not dot, dash. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this because it saves a heck of a lot of time. And I'm also going to copy and paste this like so. And this one won't have the progress dash success, it'll just have the default styling. So if we refresh that now, there you go, we have the first four is regular progress bars, the fifth one is Internet Explorer 9 progress bar, which also works on other browsers. Then we have contextual progress bars, and then we have a regular stripe progress bar, then we have contextual stripe progress bars. So that's everything you need to know about progress bars in Bootstrap 4. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/question.php. There'll be a link in the description, plus there'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it really does help us. Plus it also lets us know what you like about the video, what you don't like about the video, so we can improve it for the future. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.